If it fits, ice sits, or cats are also liquids. What to do with the free space behind the couch? Let's build a tunnel. Hi, here's Tobi from MechaniCat, and today we are gonna build a tunnel for our cats. This time everything will be made out of simple boards, feather boards to be exactly, and this helps us to prevent any complicated and expensive saws like a table saw. You can do it with a miter saw or with a hand saw as well. On the upper left there will be a scratching post, and in the middle we'll implement a door so that we can open it and clean the whole thing. Let's go! Before we start, take care of dangerous tools and all tasks on your own risk. All boards will be cut to the same length. To make room for the feather, I use the router to create a slit for the feather boards. I do this in 2 passes to prevent too much tear on the router bit. Now we can start with the assembly of the outer walls. Add glue to each board and assemble layer by layer. With the residual boards I built some climbing options for the inside. By doing a miter cut we can create a nice slide inside. Just assemble how you like, there's really no rule. Here an example for the slide where I will later on glue some scratching mat onto it. Normal wood glue works like charm. Now we cut a round shape with a round cutter so that we have a nice top for our scratching post. Cut the circles directly from the top. By doing so you can create entrances for the cats. And now that's the final look. For the hinges, the easiest way is to use a Forstner drill bit and a fitting template. Now for the view behind the couch. And what are you gonna build next?